Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to pin someone else's tweet to your Twitter profile. So if you want to pin others' tweet on your Twitter, what you have to do is first of all open up your Twitter application, and after opening your Twitter application, now what you have to do is you have to select a tweet that you would like to pin to your profile. So for example, I'm selecting this tweet. So if I want to pin this tweet on my profile, what I have to do is just you have to tap on retweet, which is below the picture of this tweet. You can see here there is 13k retweets, so you just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on retweet icon, here you can find repost or quote. You just have to tap on quote, and after tapping on quote, now you can add a comment if you would like. After adding a comment, now you have to tap on repost, which is on the top right corner of your screen. So just tap on that and then tap on got it. So after quoting this tweet, now what you have to do is just open up your profile. So to open your profile, what you have to do is just tap on the profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on your profile. And after tapping on your profile, here you can see the tweet which you have quoted on your profile. Now what you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icons, which is on the top right corner of that tweet, and now you have to tap on the first option, pin to profile, and here you can see pin this post. This will appear to the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned post. So if you want to do that, just tap on pin, and after tapping on pinned, here you can see you have successfully pinned this tweet on your profile. So this is how to pin someone else's tweet to your Twitter profile. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.